Many people try to improve their health through better eating, yet often feel lost in a maze of conflicting advice. Labels appear trustworthy, trends rise and fall, and familiar foods hide ingredients that weaken progress. Much of the confusion comes from not understanding how food is processed, how the body responds to different combinations, and how small daily habits influence overall nutrition. This script explains the quiet truths behind common eating patterns and shows simple steps that make healthy choices more dependable. Many shoppers rely on bright packaging to judge whether a food is healthy. The front of the box often highlights benefits, while the ingredient list tells a different story. A long list of preservatives, sweeteners, and stabilizers usually signals heavy processing. Encourage viewers to study the first 3 ingredients. They reveal more than the marketing on the box. People often believe that fruit juice is a nutritious choice. Most juices contain sugar levels close to soda, even when the label claims no added sugar. The body absorbs liquid sugar quickly, causing sharp rises and sudden drops in energy. Suggest eating whole fruit instead. It provides fiber, slower absorption, and better satiety. Many think they consume far less salt than they actually do. The largest contributors are sauces, canned items, instant meals, and restaurant dishes. High sodium makes people feel thirsty and bloated, yet they rarely notice the source. Advise choosing low-sodium versions of staples and tasting food before adding extra salt. Healthy snacking often fails because people underestimate portion sizes. Nuts, dried fruits, and granola bars can be nutritious, but are also dense in calories. A small handful easily becomes several servings. Encourage viewers to portion snacks into small containers ahead of time. This prevents unintentional overeating. Whole grains are frequently misunderstood. Many products labeled multigrain contain mostly refined flour with small amounts of whole grains added for appearance. True whole grain products list whole wheat or oats as the first ingredient. Choosing them supports digestion and steadier energy through the day. People commonly assume that salads are always healthy. Dressings, croutons, bacon bits, and sweetened toppings often double or triple the calories. The base vegetables matter less than what is added. Suggest choosing simple dressings, adding lean protein, and keeping extra toppings minimal. Protein shakes are often used as meal replacements, yet they can fall short of a complete meal. Many powders contain added sugars and artificial flavors. Viewers should check for high-quality protein sources and pair shakes with fiber or a small piece of fruit to balance the meal. Low-fat products are another source of confusion. When fat is removed, manufacturers often add sugar to improve taste. This leads to a food that feels healthy but creates sudden energy crashes. Encourage viewers to choose minimally processed foods rather than relying on low-fat labels. Many people skip meals in the hope of reducing overall calories. This often leads to overeating later in the day. The body responds to long gaps by increasing hunger hormones. Regular, balanced meals help stabilize appetite and mood. The idea that all carbohydrates are harmful is a common misconception. Carbohydrates vary widely. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables provide steady fuel, while refined carbohydrates cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. The quality of carbohydrates matters more than the quantity. People underestimate the influence of sugary drinks. Smoothies, flavored coffees, and energy drinks often contain more calories than a full meal. The issue is not the drink itself, but the additives. Choosing unsweetened versions or preparing drinks at home helps control sugar intake. Many individuals believe they need far more protein than they actually require. Excess protein does not speed muscle gain. It can place strain on the digestive system and displace more balanced meals. A palm-sized portion per meal is usually sufficient for most adults. A large share of daily sugar intake comes from foods not considered sweet. Tomato sauces, breads, cereals, and packaged snacks often contain hidden sugars. Checking the added sugars line helps viewers understand how much they are really consuming. Artificial sweeteners are viewed as a safe shortcut, yet they can increase cravings for sweet foods. They change how the palate responds, making natural sweetness feel dull. Encourage viewers to reduce both sugar and artificial sweeteners gradually. Many people snack because of habit, not hunger. Keeping tempting foods visible encourages unnecessary eating. Suggest placing healthier options at eye level and storing treats out of sight. Small shifts in the environment support better choices. Eating quickly leads to poor digestion and reduced satiety. Slow meals give the body time to signal fullness. Encourage viewers to pause between bites and chew their food thoroughly. These simple habits improve digestion and help prevent overeating. Nutritional change rarely comes from rigid diets. The most reliable improvements come from consistent habits, reading labels, choosing whole foods, controlling portions, and understanding the role of sugar and salt in daily meals. Invite viewers to choose one change from this script and practice it for a week to see how it shapes their energy and overall well-being.